KSC presents. Chinese build unbelievable 350 feet waterfall on a skyscraper. People travel far and wide to view one of nature's most spectacular sights, the waterfall. Somebody at Chinese construction company, Guizhou Ludiya Property Management, recognized this and thought, hey, why don't we build a waterfall on the side of our skyscraper? And so they created the world's tallest man-made waterfall, and people can't quite decide if it's a good idea or not. A construction company in Guiyang, China decided to try something a little different. They built the world's largest man-made waterfall onto the side of their skyscraper. But while there's no denying that it does look spectacular, it requires 4 huge pumps to lift the recycled water 350 feet up before it cascades down the side of the building. And because of electricity costs, believed to be over $100 an hour, the waterfall is only in use for special occasions. Many people have reacted negatively to what they perceive as an extremely wasteful vanity project, while others thought it was a great new tourist attraction for the city. Personally, I think it's nice, Guiyang resident Tenji Yuzhang said. Since Huangguoshi Waterfall is the most famous waterfall in China, and it's located nearby, this one can be like a small ad for that. Some commenters also love the idea. While others found things to critique. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.